Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some more with your teen numbers. Now remember with your math game that we played the other day that we had and make, we're gonna go ahead and use those words again. So we're gonna go ahead and Miss Keegan's gonna show you what you need. And if you want to, you can have out your tens frames again to help you and some counters. And you're also going to need the 6.2 from your packet, okay? It has 6.2 on one side and 6.2 on the other side. So you're gonna need both sides today. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my camera, guys, and I'm gonna show you what to do so you know. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and do some tens frames, okay? And we're going to make some numbers. And the cool thing is if you want to use your big tens frame to help you see this little picture a little bit bigger, you can do that. So Miss Keegan's going to show you both ways to do that, okay? So on 6.2 right here, it tells us that we need to write the missing number and then the total. The total is what's going to go in the circle, and that's our answer, okay? So right now we have 10 and make So right here we have it and the big one too. So if you look right here, look, we have a tens frame and it's just turned sideways instead of side to side. It's up and down now. So if you want to, we have the 10 here and we have the 10 here. So, and then they have nothing in this tens frames and we don't have to put anything in this tens frame. So, so let's see. So we have 10 and it says 10, right? And then it says, and, how many are in this tens frame? Nothing, right? So in this line right here, you're going to put a 0. So 10 and 0 makes what number? Now, if you went over to this tens frame, we have nothing here. You can write that 0 there, right? So 10 and 0 make, So we just still have 10, right? So 10. So 1 or 10 and nothing here makes 10. So in your bubble, you're going to go ahead and put 10 because we only have 10 on our tens frames. Well, let's go to this one. All right, so we have 10, and then on our big one, we have 10, and then we have on our next one, one more. So let's go ahead and get one counter and put it on there, okay? So now 10 and blank make blank, or right? So we have 10, which is 10 here. How many counters do we have? We have 1. So that's going to go on this one right here. So 1. So 10 and 1 make, I wonder what number. So you can either count it on here. There's 10, 11, 10, 11. Or you can come to your big one that you already did. So we have 10, 11, 10, 11. So 10 and 1 make 11. And it says it right here. 10 and 1 makes 11, and 11 is a 1 and a 1, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, let's see if we can figure out this one. Let's see. So we have 10 again, and then we have 1 more. So we have 10 here, and I have the 1 more again. Oh my gosh, is that the same thing as that one up there? No way. So 10 and 1, because there's 1 on this one. Oh my gosh, make 11. So we're going to do 11 again. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go down to this one. All right, so now we have 10, and we have 10 here, and blank. There's nothing there. That's 0. So I'm going to go ahead and put 0 because there's nothing there. Make what number? Well, I'm going to go to the big one, and I'm going to take that one counter off because this one says there's no counters on there. So we have 10, and nothing. Make 10. It's just 10, right? And it makes 10 there because there's nothing here. So there's 10 there. Is that the same as this one? Oh my gosh, I think it is. So let's see. 10 and 0 make dun, 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 dun. 10 again. Holy mackerel, it makes 10 again. Okay, let's try this one again. All right, how about this? There's 10, no counters. So 10 and 0 again. Oh my gosh. We have it here. We have it here. So we have to have it back down here. So 10 and 0 make, I hope you said 10 and not 22. All right, so there's 10. Oh my gosh. So holy mackerel that all these are doing the same thing. All right, so how about this one? Let's try this one. We have 10 here. Okay, now we have 1 more. So if you wanted to do it on your big counter, I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. So 10 and 11. We have 10, 11. Oh my gosh, so 10 and 1 again. Here it is, because it looks like this one, and it looks like this one. So we're going to put it down here. Put 1, and then it makes 11. Oh my gosh. So guys, we have learned how to make 10 and 11. So there's 10. Here's 11. There's 10. Here's 11. One more time. Here's 10 and there's 11. Oh my gosh. So we know how to make 10 and 11. So let's go ahead and flip that paper over. And here we have to make it to make 10. Okay, we have to draw pictures to make 10. So we already have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so but we want to make it into 10, okay? So this is where your fun tens frame will come in. So I'm going to turn it to the other side so it's blank, okay? And on this one, it has 1, 2, 3. So it already has 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1, 2. Here, I'll do it in all the same color so that way we can see it better. 3. Okay, so we have 3 hearts, right? And it wants to know how many more we need in this box to make 10. So look, this is 3. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 more counters to make 10. I'll show you in the different colors. So here's my 3 that says 3 here, right? So now we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 more to make 10. So on this paper right here, I'm going to do 7 more circles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now watch when I count them. It's going to add up to 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got 10. So for my challenge, friends, if you want the challenge, we can write a math sentence that goes with this. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Because we started with 3, we got 7 more to get to 10. All right, let's try this triangle one down here. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to clear off my counters off of here. And we're going to see how many that we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to get 8 counters on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's my 8. That's my 8. Okay, now we need to get to 10. Now I'm going to take my different color and 1, 2. Look, I needed 2 more to make all 10. Okay, so on here, I need to draw 2 more circles, right? Or 2 more triangles if you want to. I'll do 2 triangles. All right, so now we have 8 and 2 more make 10. And when I count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there's 10, right? So I'm going to make a math sentence. We started with 8, and then we got more, so I have to put a plus, and I got 2 more. So I'm going to put a 2, and that equals 10. So we have a math sentence with that one. All right, let's go ahead and clear these off again. All right, I cleared it off. Let's go over to this one. Let's go ahead and do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, we got 8 again. Okay, so let me go ahead and put that on there. Let me check again just to make sure that is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8. Okay, sometimes we have to check again just to make sure, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we need to know how many more make 10. Oh, let's get those hearts, those different colors. 1, 2. So we know that we need 2 more, right? And it's just like this one up here, isn't it? Holy mackerel. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to draw 2 more squares. Here's 1. Here's 2. And that should all count to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is. So now my math sentence is going to say 8 plus 2 again equals 10. And just like here, we had the 8 and then we had 2 more. All right, let's try the rectangle one. Here we go. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm going to clear off my board again. And I'm going to get my 7 hearts. Red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have 7. How many more do I need to make 10? Let's fill it in so that way we can see it. All right, so we have all 10. So we started with 7, and then we got 1, 2, 3 more. All right, so on here, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 more rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count them all together. Let's see if we got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did get 10. So my math sentence is going to be 7 because we started with 7 plus 3 more. And that's going to equal 10, right? Good job, guys. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go down to the next one, okay? So I'm going to clear my board again, get all rid of those. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I need 4 hearts on my counter. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's use the pink ones and fill it in. And we're going to see how many more we had to get to make 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there's my 4. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had to get 6 more to make 10. So on here, I'm going to do 6 more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's count them all together to make sure that there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did get 10, so we started with 4. So to write that math sentence, we have 4. All right, then we have plus, because that's how many more we're getting, and we got 6 more, didn't we? 6 equals 10. And it's okay if you write on top of your dots. That's okay. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right, let's clear our board one more time, my friends. All right, Miss Keegan's going to do this last one with you, and then you guys get to do these ones by yourselves. You get to give it a try. All right, so let's see. We have 2. 1, 2. So I'm going to get 2 red hearts. 1, 2. Okay, let's find out how many more we need to make 10. So I'm going to go ahead and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We needed 8 more to make all 10. So on here, I need to draw 8 triangles or 8 circles, 8 dots, whatever you want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's count to make sure that there's 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. So we started with 2 because we're going to write that math sentence. 2 plus, and we got 8 more, right? 8 equals 10. All right, so now it's 2 plus 8 equals 10. And you know it's that way because we have our 2. And there's our 8, and it filled in our whole tens frame. All right, guys, now you guys get to go do all these ones and try it out. And if you need to use your tens frames to help you so you can figure out how to get to 10, you can, okay? That's what it's there for. So I hope you guys have fun and try to get me 10 on all of these. Good luck, guys.